All right, so in the last video, you may have been like, well, I still like quotient rule better on that problem. Well, now let's try it with this one. You've got a multiplication here, so there's product rule on the top, and it's product with chain, and then on the bottom you have a radical x. So this is product with quotient. So now, let's try it with logarithmic differentiation. So we're going to natural log both sides. Just like that. And now we can expand. So ln of y, we got the whole page here. So this is ln. Let's take it slow. E to the x squared minus x. Make sure we don't miss anything. These two on the top are being multiplied, and they're both on top. So it's plus. And you could use any logarithm you want, but we use natural log because it's the cleanest of the rules. So ln square root of x. And again, it's plus, plus, minus, plus, plus, minus. You see this one has an x, this one has an x, this one has an x. So it's multiply, divide. So plus, minus. All right, now we bring everything in front. So this is x squared minus x. See how nice that is? ln of e. And then what happens with ln of e? Bye-bye. Plus 2/3 ln x plus 1 minus, and then this is 1/2. So I'm going to rewrite with a half so we can see it. And there we go. So now we don't have any exponents inside. We've expanded the whole thing. We can now take our derivative of this guy. So this is 1 over y prime. And again, we're going to multiply this y is this guy. So we're just going to take that and place it on the other side when we're done. Equals. And we can get rid of these parentheses now because there's no natural log of e next to it. So that's just 2x. Oops. Let's put it back in. 2x minus 1 plus, and then remember this is our fraction. So it's 2, 3, and then that guy goes to the bottom like that. So it's 2/3. Put them on the bottom. By the way, the derivative of x plus 1 is 1. Don't have to worry about it. Same thing here. 1 over 2. And then we put our x down there and make a little room now. So you can combine all of these if you need to, but I don't want to do that right now. So we're just going to rewrite y prime equals, and then we're going to multiply both sides by y, so it just becomes y times 2x minus 1 plus 2 over 3 x plus 1 minus 1 over 2x. And then you go back up and you grab your y. So that guy, e to the x squared minus x. Here, this is circle. Shrink it a bit. X plus 1 to the 2/3 over square root of x. The reason I'm not putting them together is because this is a made-up problem to make it look horrible, so it's going to be a horrible problem if I try to bring them together. Well, not too bad, but it's very error-prone, so I'm not doing that. And there you go. So see, it's not that bad. If you use the logarithmic differentiation, it made it a lot simpler. We didn't have to apply product quotient together or chain. We had product quotient and chain all together in one. But all we had to do here was just rewrite them as a logarithm and then integrate or take the derivative.